In this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. Now, if you don't want others seeing your stuff, profile and etc., here's what you need to do. Open up your TikTok app, go to Profiles, click on the top right on the hamburger menu, then click on Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Privacy and just activate the private account. And what that means is that with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So all of your current followers will be able to see your videos and etc., but your new ones you will have to accept it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.